Hello everyone, welcome back you all in my online classes. Dear students, we are studying class 7th mathematics, chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. And today we are going to start exercise 2.2. Dear student, first question of this exercise is, which of the drawing A to D show 2 into 1 by 5, 2 into 1 by 2, 3 into 2 by 3 and 3 into 1 by 4. Dear students, we have given here 4 parts and 4 drawings. We have to check whether 2 into 1 by 5. So here it is here fraction 1 by 5 because total are here 5 and 1 is shaded, so it is 1 by 5 and it is here 2. So first is related to D. Okay, second one is 2 into 1 by 2. So here this is here the shape, this is a square and it is divided into 2 parts. So the fraction will be here 1 by 2 and it is 2 here, so it is second is matched with B. Okay, third one is 3 into 2 by 3. So here 3, so all parts are here 3 and 3 times 2 by 3, 2 parts are shaded and total parts are 3, so fraction will be here 2 by 3 and these are 3, so it will be 3 times 2 by 3. So third will be matched with A. And last is 3 into 1 by 4, so it will be ultimately with C part because total parts are here 4 and 1 is shaded, so fraction will be here 1 by 4 and they are 3, so 3 into 1 by 4. So first question you will do it as question number 1. Question number 1 will be like this. First part will match with D. Okay, 2 into 1 by 5 will match with this one part. You can draw the drawings like this and you can shaded this portion here and you can make another drawing like this. Okay, so this will resemble with this. So 2 into 1 by 5 is this. Similarly you will do second part, third part. Second will match with B. Okay, drawing आप खुद बना सकते हैं. Third part will match with A. Okay, and the fourth part will match with C. Okay students, तो ये था आपका first question. Second question is here, some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show 3 into 1 by 5. So here fraction 1 by 5 is here in this case and they are 3 also because 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this will be resemble here with A part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are total 5 parts and 1 is shaded. So one fraction is here 1 by 5 and they are 3. So 3 into 1 by 5 means first will match with C. Okay, and second 2 into 1 by 3. So 1 by 3, 2 into 1 by 3 is here. Okay, second will match with A and third one will match with 3 into 3 by 4. So here total are 4 parts and 3 into 3 by 4, so it will match here like this 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 3 by 4, 3 parts are shaded here and total parts are 4, so fraction is here 3 by 4 and they are 3 as, so 3 times 3 by 4. So second will match with B. Okay students, now third question is given here, multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. So here we have given 10 parts. Out of these 10 parts I will do here some parts like part number 3rd, part number 10. Okay, so let us write third part. Question number 3rd. Third part is 2 into 6 by 7. So we have to reduce this part in we have to firstly multiply and then reduce to lowest form and then convert into a mixed fraction. So here we will multiply it as 2 6 are 12, so 12 by 7. After multiplication it will be 12 by 7, and we can reduce this into mixed fraction as divide 12 by 7. It is very simple. 7 1 are 7, and remainder will be here 5. So your quotient will become whole numbers. You know that ये हमारा क्या बन जाता है, होल नंबर, और रिमाइंडर हमारा बन जाता है न्यूमरेटर, और डिनोमिनेटर हमारा रहता है एज इट इज. सो विल बी 15/7 इज द आंसर. सिमिलरली 1/10 part of this question is 15 into 3/5. We can cancel here like this. 5 1 are 5, 5 3 are 15, so it will be here 3 3 are 9/1, and it is simply 9. So we have no need to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, so it will be like this is the answer. Now next is question number 4. Dear student, question number 4 is shed 1/2 of the circle in box A, and second one is 2/3 of the triangle in box B, 3/5 of the squares in box C. So here 1/2 of circles in box A. So here what is, we have to shaded these two, because half of the circles, so we have to shaded half the circles like this. We have to shaded these 6 circles, so it will be 1/2. And here is 2/3 of the circle, so we have to shaded these 2 like this. We can make this drawing here. And as we have given question number 4, and let us do B part. We have to shaded 2/3 of the triangle, 2/3 of the triangle in box B. Okay, so we have given such shape here like this. We have given these triangles. Okay, so we can shaded it as 2/3. Fraction is given 2/3, so 1 2 3 rows are here. We have to shaded these 2 parts out of these 3 like this. Okay students, so this is the required shaded portion. Next is question number 5. So question number 5 is what? Find 1/2 of 24 and 46, and we have such type of question. We have to ऑफ का मीनिंग यहाँ पर क्या है, मल्टीप्लाई. सो लेट अस डू फर्स्ट ए पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर दिस. 1/2 of first part is 24 and second part is 46. Second part is 46. So let us do first part. 1/2 of 24 will be equal to 1/2 multiply 24, so 12 2 are 24, and answer will be 12. Second part is given 1/2 of 46. It will be equal to 1/2 multiply 46. We can cancel this by 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, and 23 will be your answer. So dear student, you have to solve from question number 1 to question number 5. The remaining question we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay, that's all. Practice more and more.